What tools are required for fixing damaged roof shingles and why each matters? For asphalt shingle replacement, you need a clear plan and the right tools to work safely and efficiently. Start with a hammer and a prybar to remove damaged shingles and to lift surrounding pieces without tearing them. Use a utility knife to cut shingles cleanly along the factory lines so replacements sit flush and the granule surface remains intact. Choose roofing nails long enough to penetrate through the shingle and into the roof deck by at least 3/8 of an inch and drive them straight to avoid splitting. Keep a tube of silicone or roof caulk handy to seal edges, vents, and any nail heads that might be exposed to water, applying a small bead and smoothing it with a gloved finger. Match new shingles to the existing color and style so the replacement lays flat and sheds water properly. Slide them under the layer above and secure with 2 nails in the exposed tab area. Common mistakes are using the wrong nail type or length, which leads to blow-offs and leaks, and the fix is to always use roofing nails long enough to reach the deck and to set them square and not overdriven. Another frequent issue is cutting replacement shingles too short or jagged so they do not sit flush, and the remedy is to measure twice and cut once using the straight edge of the utility knife and replacing the entire shingle section if needed. A third problem is failing to seal around penetrations and nail heads, which causes slow leaks, and you can prevent that by applying a proper bead of silicone or roof caulk and pressing it into place while avoiding excess that can get hard and brittle. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like shingle repair so we can find local help or offer our skills to nearby clients. We host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post photos so our users learn from real experiences.